manifesting a melody of reality from a realm unseen. Who? Yes, I'm talking about you. How do you define yourself, poet? Authentic, true, realistic, free to be you. A behind-the-scene midnight hour scream, tell it to the paper is the only way I'm seen type of poet. The silent poet. The daydreaming, imaginative thinking, creative being, solitude living, that nobody sees me but me, poet. I see me. I hear me. The keep it to yourself type poet, conversations of a lonely poet. My words is too deep that it cuts type of poet, so my silence is used as a shield protecting my words from my mouth being unveiled. Yes, let me do you a favor and keep it to myself type of poet. Shh. Where's all my poets who sing? The ones who carry rhythm and tone while their words ring. They bring soul and funk, jazz and spunk, haikus that sound like blues, the Erykah Badu's. Yes, I'm talking about you. The neo-soul poets, the lyrical literal poets, Villanelle, Sonets, give me an ode when you sing type poets. You tell a story through your body, free verse at its highest, limericks that scheme over ballads that ding, epic poetry telling stories in every line you rehearse. Sing me a song, poet. Let your words move me to every beat that strums on my bones, poet. I want to feel the tempo as your words flow. Be it fast or slow, your words are harmony, a lyrical symphony. And what about the colorful poets? The outspoken, confident, unique poet. The one who commands attention by being different poet. The artistic, creative poet. Vibrant and abstract, funny but not exact. I'm here just to make you laugh, no permission needed to be me, that's a fact. The diverse, unrehearsed Frida Kahlos. The gems so rare we could never follow. The diamonds in the rough, the emeralds. The ones who shine with no polish, authentic and stylish. Big energy and high vibes, leaving you to feel good inside. Yes, the colorful poet. Original and they know it. Hold up though. Let's talk about the spoken word poets. The ones who step to the mic and stare you in your eye, poets. Roaring from deep in their beliefs, they spit fire every time they speak, truly loud in your face. I'm gonna make you feel this poem, poet. The Grand Slam champions, the storytellers and performers, conscious creators, political conveyors, practice what you preach type of poets, and they do it so eloquently. Articulating every emotion so passionately, vigorous in their delivery, I can care less what you think of me type poet. Vivid in expression, demanding your attention, skilled and focused, they dominate a stage that won't go unnoticed. Yes, I hear you, poet. Not only do your words touch, but they pierce. You, poet, you are fierce. But where's all my visual poets? My quiet, suburban, rural poets? Sitting on your rocking chair with no care in the world, landscaping poets? Breathing the fresh air with wind in your hair as you write type of poets? The life is easy poets. Inhale, exhale poet. The splash it on the blank canvas ekphastric poets. The put it on your brick walls, I'm gonna make you drive by in your city and look at my statement poets. You're the poet who advocates, giving voice through your paint. With every stroke through your brush, you make someone think. You make that someone stop and see, questioning the story being told behind your visual poetry. You give voice to expression, space to release tension. Did I forget to mention you, visual poet, you are the artistic connection. You take the words written on paper and mix it with feelings and color and you create. Taking pieces of me, you've mastered how to create a masterpiece. Now what about those conscious poets? The philosophical, knowledge-seeking, wisdom-keeper poets. The deep-speaking, soul-searching, world-view poets. The third eye, spiritually inclined, tuned-in poets. Ancient wisdom poets. Anunnaki searching, stargazing, wake up in the morning, awaiting for the sun poets. The poets that stomp their feet in the ground, drinking cacao, stretching their bodies under the moon as they sing praises out loud. Yes, those poets, the ones who are tapped in, the as above, so below, the as within, so without, consciously connected poets. The ancestors are talking to me, poets. Y'all the truth. Now, I know you didn't think I forgot about those erotic poets. Those sensual, late-night writing, lingerie, poetic justice poets. Sending chills up your spine every time they unwind type poets. Those freaky, nasty, I'ma keep it classy kind of poets. The hopeless romantics, nympho-fanatics. Sexy but quiet type of poets. Aphrodisiacs to queens, Sapphos to Pablos, clean sheets to dirty streets. Every version of erotica exists within me. I appreciate these courageous writers. They speak out what we're scared to share, untamed and unashamed. They let it all bear. See, poets come in all different shapes and sizes, with all different backgrounds and all different writings. The words of poets remains alive. So let's not forget to pay respect to those who paved the way. The Maya Angelos, Dr. Seuss's, and Edgar Allan Poe's. The Shel Silversteins, Langston Hughes, and Alice Walkers, the ones we've come to know. The Emily Dickinsons, Nikki Giovanni's, James Baldwin's, don't forget their name. Tupac Shakur's, Tazaki Chandra's, and Lauryn Hill's maintain their fame. Poetry is a healer's dream. It's a realm where we all belong. A path to get through life, through words, and sometimes even through songs. Communication of expression is the language that helps one to recite. So give it up for all my poets, past, present, and future, and those that are here tonight. So be it writer, singer, or poet, ask, who is it that I choose to be? We welcome you to the space that is filled with poets and poetry. Yeah.